Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about my personal brand. So, my brand pretty much revolves around all things creative, whether that be art, dance, music, graphic design, fashion, or printmaking. Pretty much anything to do with creativity. I want to be there and I want to be writing about it. So, my goals with this are basically that right now I consider myself a feature writer, and that just means to me like I want to be showcasing creative minds, doing what they do best and doing what they love, and doing this as a way to promote others' brands while also promoting my own and adding to my own brand by showcasing what these creative people are doing and how they are just doing what they love constantly. And then overall, I just really want to be sharing creativity with the world and inspiring creativity with everyone around me. So right now for my brand, I just recently started a blog, if it will take me to there. So I'll be writing about opinion stories, feature stories, and then I also eventually want to get into film critique and film reviews. So I've been kind of doing that on this blog a little bit. Here's some more stories that I've written. And that's just like brand new, so I'm going to be getting into that more. Where'd my presentation go? And then also I've linked an example of a story I wrote at the community college I attended before CSU. And this was just about a printmaker at the school that used its creativity to put his prints on clothes, and he had like a fashion brand. So I thought that was really cool, and I wanted to write something about him. So that'll be linked also if you want to read into that. And then right now, I don't have like a Instagram account or any like social media for my brand because I haven't just like thought that far ahead yet. But definitely in the future, I'll have like a social media for my personal brand as well. So yeah, that's it.